Good afternoon. Welcome. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I want the grilled chicken with rice and salad.
Perfect. Good choice.
But can I change the rice to pasta?
Of course, no problem.
And can I change the salad to fries?
Sure, I can do that.
And the chicken, can it be fried, not grilled?
Okay, yes, we can do that too.
Also, no salt on the chicken, please.
All right, no salt.
And can I have the fries without oil?
Without oil? I'm sorry, we fry them in oil. That is not possible.
Oh, can I change the fries to vegetables then?
Yes, steamed vegetables. That is easy.
Great. And one more thing, no sauce on anything, please.
No sauce. Got it. So that is fried chicken, no salt, with pasta and steamed vegetables, no sauce.
Yes, perfect.
I will bring your order soon. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you for your patience, too.